Stone drying mat is absolutely beautiful, dries quickly, and you can easily set it against your backsplash when it's not in use like a cutting board. Swap out traditional knife blocks for these inserts that go in any of your vases. This is a great way to add decorative storage to your countertop, and it still keeps your knives handy when you need them. If your family's anything like mine and loves board games, these are absolutely beautiful. They look like hard-covered books, and inside is a full-size traditional board game. The boards have extra folds to fold up smaller, so they take up less room and look beautiful on your shelves. And last are these frames that are a perfect way to display your kids' artwork. Swapping the art or changing the orientation of the frame takes no time and it looks beautiful. I hope you enjoy.
Amazon cleaning finds you actually need. Number 5 is this laser attachment that you can mount to any vacuum that will help you see all the little dust particles that you wouldn't be able to see without it. No way. It's crazy effective and makes me feel like my house is way dirtier than I thought it was. Really cool. Number 5 is my vacuum mop that does such a good job cleaning up crazy messes on hard floors, and it also cleans itself, so all you have to do is empty out the gross water. Wow. Number 8 is this new magic eraser that has Dawn soap already built into it, so you just have to get it wet and then go to town. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Amazon Home Favorites. This uniquely shaped mirror is designed to hang right over your drawer, so no installation needed. Just unlock and it opens into a double-sided organizer for your jewelry, sunglasses, cosmetics, and more. It has a section for every need, a vanity mirror, and the LED lights that trigger automatically when it opens.
Okay, this is a total must-have. If you're ever in an emergency situation or a power outage, you're going to want to have this rechargeable generator on hand. This not only has USB-C and USB-A charging ports, so you can have fast charging on all your devices like your smartphones and your tablets, but it also has an AC adapter, so you can charge your laptops or essentially plug in anything that you need to. It even has a car outlet, so you can take it on long road trips or camping, you name it. And it can even charge a laptop up to 6 times, so if you have a power outage, this thing could totally save you. If you need a cute way to wrap your Easter gifts this year, check out this wrapping hack. You're going to start with a piece of brown craft paper, then fold in each side and glue down with a glue stick. Next, you're going to fold up the bottom and then separate the 2 pieces and fold to create a diamond. Now fold the top and bottom corners into the middle and tape in place. Now you're going to take a pencil and draw half the shape of the ears that you're going to cut out. Place your goodies inside and then scrunch towards the base of the ears and tie with a ribbon or some twine. Glue on a cotton ball for the tail and you've got yourself a cute little Easter package. Like and follow this video for more tips and hacks.
Let's talk seamless underwear that aren't thongs. This pack on Amazon is a bestseller and they legit do not show through. If you're wearing leggings or biker shorts, you cannot see. They're the softest seamless fabric. You love Lululemon.